was feeling too much like a woman as my back rose strong and straight. As I thought popped up, I stopped, looked around myself, looked around myself to remember the size of this world, to remember I just wanna be. That is little girl, that is little girl. Suspecting me of insobriety, swimming in a sea of vast indulgence, I know just how to get everything my hands can get of what you've been. I'm everything you damn more. You're right, you are right, most probably. I am guilty of inability to feel any kind of responsibility. I have no conscience, speak only nonsense as you have. I sure am powerless, can't have what you possess. Each time I walk through that door, hoping to see what I'm for, I ironed my shirt and I polished my shoes and I kissed all the feet of the world. It's not a wish, not a memory, it's not a thought more than I saw yours. Is that you? How can it be this moment is so full of you? Na na na. Can't sleep. I close my eyes, and if I try to fall asleep, she comes to me. We go to all the thousand worlds we ran into when we were girls. Worryless, worryless, where will we go? Worryless, how could we have known? Worryless, worryless, it's helpless. Oh, I rise up to a ball. To lose is everything there is. To have another ball is nothing less than heaven's bliss. To know by moment's time that all there is to know is in the outer heart to fall in love. Oh, I am falling again and again. I am falling. Oh, yes, I am falling. Oh, I'm falling. Oh, 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 I am falling. Ooh, 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 ooh. I've fallen in love today and yesterday and all the days before. I fall in love with every little thing, 'cause it's so sweet. Ooh. No, no, man. Oh, I fall in love with you. You know this dog? I've been loving this dog for a year. The dog doesn't care about me, but he's getting close. You know, I've been feeding it. I've been putting on nice perfume, little lipstick. It doesn't work. It doesn't work, and he's a real man. Man! And I'm crazy. I want to keep a woman. Pay her no attention. Of course. Where did that dog go?